Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Forte tire pressure light full guide. Start by verifying each tire is at the correct PSI using a gauge. Next, switch the ignition to on and find the TPMS reset button, usually under the dash. Press and hold the button until the light blinks, then release and wait for it to turn off or drive to complete the reset. In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Forte tire pressure light full guide. Be precise with your tire pressure readings and match the vehicle placard PSI. Adjust each tire accordingly, then perform the reset while the ignition is on. If the light does not extinguish immediately, drive at a moderate speed for about 10 to 15 minutes so the TPMS can relearn sensors and clear the alert automatically. In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Forte tire pressure light full guide. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great read about money that pairs oddly well with saving on car repairs. Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you found this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to reset Kia Forte tire pressure light full guide. If the warning returns, inspect for slow leaks, valve stem damage, or sensor faults. Cold weather often lowers pressure, so recheck after warming up. For tire swaps or rotations, a manual relearn may be needed, and a scan tool can help identify which sensor is offline. When in doubt, visit a shop to replace faulty TPMS sensors safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.